In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Hostinger paid subscription. If you no longer need a hosting plan, or you simply want to make sure you are not billed again automatically, the process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Make sure you are using the account where the subscription is currently active, since many users may have more than one service listed under their dashboard. Once you are logged in, take a moment to confirm that you are on the main account area before moving to the next part. From there, click on your profile. This is usually where your account settings and personal management options are stored. Opening the profile menu gives you access to the sections related to payments, subscriptions, and billing preferences. Next, click Billing. This is the area where Hostinger keeps all payment-related details, including your active plans, renewal settings, and subscription information. If you are trying to stop future charges, this is the most important section to review carefully. Once you are inside the billing area, look under Subscriptions. Here you should see a list of the plans connected to your account. If you have more than one service, take your time and locate the exact plan you want to cancel. This is important because you want to be sure you are changing the correct subscription and not another active service by mistake. After you find the specific plan, look for the auto-renewal setting and toggle it off. Turning off auto-renewal helps prevent the subscription from renewing automatically at the end of the current billing period. This step is especially useful if your main goal is to avoid future charges while keeping access until the current term expires. Then, click Cancel Subscription. Hostinger may show you a confirmation message or an extra prompt before the cancellation is finalized, so read the screen carefully and complete the action if needed. Once that is done, your subscription cancellation request should be processed. As a final tip, it's a good idea to double-check that auto-renewal is disabled and that the subscription now shows the updated status inside your billing section. That way, you can leave knowing the change has been applied properly. And that's how to cancel a Hostinger paid subscription.